This video is brought to you by the class of 2018, and in this video we will be showing you how to properly set up the male service dress jacket. So in the cadet guide, when you flip over into the attachments section, it says here the cadet male service dress. So with the attachment, it shows a diagram of the dress jacket and the instructions below. It is very confusing to follow, so this video is meant to help you properly set it up. So, on this uniform goes your silver metal name tag, any ribbons you have, and your ranks. And if it's later in the year, you have your Kitty Hawk Air Society badge or the Renaissance badge. So we will first start with your ribbons. So, what you do is you put it on this pocket here. And it's very simple. You center it on the pocket, and you put the bottom of this ribbon on the top of the pocket. Once when it's in place, you punch it through. So that it stays in place. And then you put the pins in the back so that it stays in place. Next, we will set up the name tag. So this one is a little bit more confusing. But what you do is it helps if you have a ruler. You put the name tag here. It does not go here. This is just for demonstrational purposes. So you put the name tag here and slide it all the way over so that it's on the other side of the service dress jacket. It's parallel to this is parallel to the ground, and it's still in line with this pocket. Once when it's in place, you pin it through, put the frogs in the back. So next, when it's later in the year and you get this Kitty Hawk badge, what you do is you put it a ½ inch above this name tag. A good gauge for this is your thumb. So you put your thumb here, and you put the badge on the top of your thumb, and you punch it through. Now, this is thicker material, so it is a little bit more difficult to put these pins through the back and through the service dress jacket. Next, we will put on the ranks. So, all you do is you take your rank and you're going to put it on this collar. And so you see that there's two sections of it. You're going to put it on this top section here. So, the way you do it is you see the seam, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the corner of this rank along that seam. And that term is called grounded. So you put it about halfway up, not exactly, and you're going to put it in place so that the corner of this rank is touching the seam, and then the point of this rank is pointing to the corner of the collar. So once when it's in place, you're going to push through so you can pin it in place. And it goes the same for the other side. Now, if you're an officer, you're going to have your officer rank here. We'll put this on the other side. You're going to have the bottom of your rank parallel to the ground. Once again, you put the corner on the seam, and it's grounded. It's about halfway up. Just make sure that it's parallel to the ground. And that is your basic setup. This video has been brought to you by the class of 2018.